Hey guys, welcome to a video. This is the first time that I've done a real life video. So in this video, I will be showing you how to get videos or photos from your Meta Quest 3S or 3 onto your computer. And there's probably millions of other tutorials out there, but I'm making this because I thought that Meta supports. First thing, the only thing you need is a cable like this, so a USB-C cable that would go into like a computer like this. And then, yeah. So basically, I think you guys, I can't hold this with one hand. You plug it into there, and it should turn on like that. And then if you, where's my mouse? I forgot to say you need a developer.
Oh my god.
Developers.meta.com, not developers.
Oh my god.
So here we go. So developers.meta.com, Horizon, sign up. So you would make your own Meta Horizon account, which is just the developer account. So I've got mine. Below that. Please. This is my account, so you need to make an organization. It can just be your preferred name, like I've done here, lexthedev. But once it's done that, you can move on to the next step, which is plugging that into there. I just realized you need to have the thing on to do this.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, okay guys, so once you have enabled developer mode or got a developer account, you want to click the little icon in the top left for your thing, headset, and click headset settings, click developer mode, and it should be there. So I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on again. So made the noise, like that. Cool. Okay, once it's done that, you need to plug it in. And after you've made a developer account, you need to plug it in, and it should make the charging noise. But it should say something like allow USB debugging, and click always allow from this computer. Okay, guys. So after screwing around with this console for I don't know, like an hour now, and I've been editing the video as well. I'll be able to show you what it looks like. So it says, allow USB debugging, blah, 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 blah. When that shows up, that will show up because the first time you put it in. Okay, back to the video. If you guys can see, there's a new notification, says USB detected. Click on this notification to allow connected devices to access files, and it should have done it. So, and you guys just missed it, but I just got a notification. Quest 3S choose what happens with this device, and it's got it right there. So the videos are located in internal shared storage, Oculus video shots, and now if I were to try and copy and let's say paste it somewhere else.
Chuckle nuts.
Turn the brightness down, so it'd be copying it. But if it doesn't work and it said the requested resource is in use, there is another solution for doing that. So I think I'm gonna hop over to my computer and show you guys. Okay guys, so I'm now on my computer and we can see that it is copying the video still. If it does say something like the requested resource is in use, it's probably because gallery or camera is open. And to fix that, you could download this thing called Android Debug Bridge. I already have it installed, so I don't need to do it again. Oh yeah, download it here. If you want the standalone Android SDK platform tools package, which is what we want, download it here. So basically that, then download SDK platform tools for Windows, blah blah blah. I've read and agree, and we do that, and we open it, platform tools, and this is what you want. So I normally extract it to my C drive, and then make a new folder called ADB, and then drag and drop it all in there. So once you have done that and everything's installed and ready, and making sure that your headset is still plugged in, you need to go to CMD and just go c.c.op wherever your ADB installer is located. Mine is here. So when you have located your ADB, Android Debug Bridge location, that's okay. When you found it, yeah, you want to type ADB devices, and it should say something like demo not running, starting now, and they will start successfully. There's devices attached, and then you've got your ID, and it says device. If it says unauthorized instead of device, that's because USB debugging is not enabled. So unplug and replug your headset in, and look at the screen, and you should see allow USB debugging. Try and click allow or always allow from this computer, but I've already got it on, so I don't need to do it again. So once you've done that, and everything is set up, you've got developer mode on, everything's enabled. You want to, if you want to copy only one video, you would find the name of it. So in this instance, I don't know, com.oculus.vrshell, and you got a whole bunch of numbers. This is the date and time. So press F2 and Control C to copy the name. And once you've done that, go back to this, and just to check that USB debugging is enabled, type ADB devices again, and there you go. So now we want to do ADB pull SD card, which is the storage memory, Oculus, and then videos, it would be video shots, and then paste in the name with Control V, and then type in, I don't know, a random location on your computer that you want to store it in. So I'll do videos, meta, like that, and press enter, and it should copy it over. As you can see, it's slowly but surely doing it. And once it's done, you can download or pull the whole folder just by running ADB pull SD card Oculus video shots, and then doing that. But if you want to do screenshots, it's the exact same, but with screenshots as the folder name instead of video shots. Mine appears to be stuck, so I will do Control C, and you can see it does continue it. I don't know why, but pressing Control C, which is to like cancel a command, keeps it going. But now it's done, so you can see a lot of bytes in 100 seconds, which is like a minute. It gives you a lot of detail, but yeah, the video is located now in your folder that you chose, like that. So same for, say you want to copy some screenshots, it would just be, I'm actually going to take a screenshot now, just for the fun of it, just to, help with the tutorial. Same folder, like that. So 2 files pulled in 0.34 seconds, and this is the screenshot that I've just taken. You can see it's my OBS Studio, my browser. But yeah, so I hope you guys found that tutorial interesting. There's going to be a lot of editing because I forgot a lot of things, and yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye. at the computer, right, okay.